बड़ा असल
कैसा मूवी क्या होता असल आत्मन
है
असल क्या बात से होता है
स्टोरी है तो क्या ना असल
थोड़ी सा असल चलो ठीक है
Saw this movie for the second time. I had seen it in Delhi also on my visit. It's very touching, very beautifully made. No violence or the bad part of the Kashmiri Pandit story, but they've tried to portray the emotions through the family dynamics which is going on, and how the grandfather who had lived all his life there wanted to go back, and his kid was able to do that. It was beautifully done, and congratulations to the whole team, and we loved it. Hope they can make something else again.
थैंक यू
मूवी ٲس زبردست اَتھ چھِ واریاہ میسیجہِ واریاہ there is lot of things to digest for everyone in Kashmir, everyone in local population, everyone in the government. I would say please watch it.
मूवी के
It's
बारे
a
में
wonderful movie, and it's like life. It's my life. That's how my family lived, and maybe my dad tried to go home. Yeah, it was.
चलो थैंक यू जुते मूवी बट
मूवी जबरदस्त मूवी तीसा असल मगर कत ये गसान तौर ये बत गमत तम मतलब मन करान कि बाकी मतलब इट रियली pinches.
There were certain moments which brought some tears also, but I think the first part was very interesting, although we could not understand the language, but emotions came out quite nicely. Overall very nice.